Okay, we're in a Subaru 2012 Impreza, and the not just the check engine light, but the oil light is on after probably an oil change. But I wanted to reset that, right? So this video should help us to see how to do that, to get that light off. So I'm going to turn the engine off, pop the hood, and that should be a box. So a little clip there, open that up, and on the driver's side, this particular fuse box, it's got a little clamp there, press that in, another one there, so you press those two in, kind of slides up, and this is one on the back, so you don't have to press it, but it hooks underneath. Pull that out. Then you gotta, if you haven't disturbed it, it should be a fuse puller right there, in there already. And basically what we want to do is get rid of some of this debris here. It should be a 10 amp fuse that we want to pull out and replace. And you can look on the back of the fuse box here. If you look at the writing, it should give us an idea of which is for what. You see the horn there, you see a relay, hazard lights, etc. And what we want to try to find the one that deals with our oil. AC. I'll get that for you. Okay, so when the car's off, I finally found this guy. You're gonna take this guy, this 15 amp, and put it over here in this space, okay? So we're going to take this one and put it over here. So I release that, and then I pull this guy out. Trying to be careful with this. There we go. So we got this guy out, and just kind of looking at it there to see it's still good. And I'm going to push this down over here. Pinch this, squeeze that to open it up. And I'm just gonna double check that, push that in, and now get the keys, start it up again, and hopefully the light will go off. So I'm back again inside here. I'm going to fire it up. Okay. So we know the check engine light was on previously. That's okay. But the oil light is off at this point. So that's good. Turn it off. Take the key out, just FYI. And go back here and get your fuse puller. Take that guy and pull him out. Be careful with it, don't want to drop it. And then push it back into this guy. Make sure you line it up, the pins. Push it in. Should kind of squeeze this at the top to release that. Push it down, make sure it's in there good. Now put your cover back on, well, put this back in there for next go around if needed. Then put this back on, put the clamp, and that should be good. And now let's start it up one more time. Sorry about the fingers there. Yep. Now your oil light is off. You got to look at that check engine light. Think that's a O2 sensor, but that's for another video, another day. Take care. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.